Hi everybody, it is Flip Flop Mountaineer, and boy do I have a surprise for you today. I am right here in my home county of Polk County, Tennessee, along the banks of the Hiawassee River. But the adventure doesn't stop here today. I am taking you on a hike. It's a less known hike, not known by too many outsiders, but it sure is known by the locals. It takes you to an end result that's a beautiful waterfall right here in the heart of Polk County, Tennessee. So stick around as we explore Tennessee. Alright, I have made it to the trail. I'm on Gee Creek Trail, and we're going to cross the creek up ahead, and we're just going to see what this waterfall looks like. Now, we haven't had a lot of rainfall, so I'm curious to see how much water is going to be flowing, but I want you to stick around as we explore Gee Creek Trail. Guys, I wish you were here with me. It's beautiful on this trail. And I'm coming up to a bridge, which I was told is close to the halfway point. So I'm going to show you what I see when I get to the bridge. On the trail, there's just one thing I want to tell you that I forgot to mention. If you're driving back in, you're going to drive through a small residential area. And once you hit that last house, you're going to go maybe a quarter mile up the road. The forewarning is this: it's a little bit bumpy, but my little car made it. I think yours can too. So let's explore some more. Hi guys, I'm still making my way up to see the waterfall, but look at this. This is just feet from the trail, and this is what you're gonna see if you go on this hike. I just thought I'd share this. It's just really pretty, serene, and we're sharing. So let's continue to see that waterfall. Well, still on the trail. It's not too bad. I would say moderate. So keep that in mind, and I know it's going to be beautiful up ahead. It's only a 2.7 mile in and out, so it's not too bad. That's round trip, so shouldn't take long to do it. So let's go see what's ahead and explore some more. Well guys, we made the hike. We did it. This is Gee Creek Falls right here in my home county of Polk County, Tennessee. If you're in the area, you may want to add this on your list of things to see and do. But you know, if you can't get there, chances are I just might be taking you. So let's explore.